Welcome to the video series, Ask the Agent. Flood insurance is not covered in any homeowners in the United States. So it is run through FEMA, and the policies have to be purchased separately outside any homeowner's policy you might have. The times I get concerned the most are probably around hurricane season. Obviously, we're less than 30 days out from hurricane season starting June 1st, and this lasts all the way through November 1st. When we live this close to the coast, the exposure of hurricanes and torrential rains to come down 25, 30 inches of rain within a 7, 8, 10 hour period is highly likely. Flood insurance is defined by rising water, and it's not covered again in your homeowner's policy. So just wanted to talk to you about it today. Flood insurance is very, very important. One of the few things that's not covered in the homeowner's policy. I think it's important for everyone to have it to make sure that their largest asset is protected. So I hope this helps out. Give us a call. We're able to give you a quote here in the office, and we'll talk to you soon. Thanks a lot. Bye-bye.